This is Jeannie Marie of the Nature Realm Portal. You may know me from planetcalamari.com, which has morphed into the Nature Realm Portal.com. And I would like to talk about a class I created way back in about 2013 when I was making spirit dolls. And I'm going to tell you all about this class, how easy it is to join this class. It's affordable, it's fun, and it's something for all ages to participate in. In this class, you're going to learn how to create eco-friendly paper clay doll faces. And this paper clay is available at most craft shops. You can find it on Amazon. It's non-toxic. It's eco-friendly. It's easy to use for all ages because you don't have to bake it. And these faces can be used for other purposes like ornament and jewelry and wall hangings. I'm going to show you how to repurpose, recycle old clothing and fabric and beads and old jewelry and other things found around the house or maybe thrift shops to create your own spirit doll and art. These dolls are made out of sticks and branches and even barbecue skewers. And I'll show you how to use them, how to gather your sticks and make it a fun project for all. You can also repurpose seashells and driftwood and treasures from the beach into your artwork and dolls. This is one of the pieces I created named Mother Maiden Crone, and it's a finished piece that was displayed in the Delray Artisan Show way back in, I believe, 2015. And I created this with branches and sticks, paper clay, repurposed fabric, sari ribbon, beads, faux leaves, crystals, cheesecloth, and I framed it. And I still have it hanging up today in my kitchen because it never sold. And actually, I was grateful it never sold because it's one of my favorite pieces that I've ever created. Here's a sculpture piece, for lack of a better word, that I created called I Heard the Mermaid Singing. It was displayed at the Salem Art Association Gallery here in Salem, Massachusetts. I had so much fun making this because I used paper clay, seashells, lobster claws, moss, driftwood, found here on the local beach known as Winter Island. The Create a Spirit Doll class is an online class on Udemy. It's 1.5 hours and you can watch it at your own pace. Once you own it, it's yours for life. You can share it with your friends. You can have your family participate, maybe have a girls' night out. Go collect sticks together, have fun, go to the beach, and use your imagination. Thanks so much for watching. Please note, because I recorded the class back in 2013 or 14, I was still known as Planet Calamari. That website has been transformed into the NatureRealmPortal.com. You're invited to visit the Nature Realm Portal Etsy shop. I never know what my muse is going to help me create. There you'll find art to wear, baubles, and more. Thanks so much for watching, sending lots of love, light, and magic to all.